Hi Miss, hi class. This is a relative clauses lesson. The relative clauses is subject, who, which, and that. And object is whom, who, which, and that. And possessive is whose and whose. What are relative clauses? A relative clauses is a subgroup of the negative clause that modifies a noun or unknown phrases. For example, the man who is smoking in the murderer. The noun the man is modified by the relative clauses who is smoking. Relative clauses give essential information to define or indefinite the person or things we are talking about. How to use the relative clauses? They are used to provide extra information. This information can either define something, defining clause. For example, the girl who is studying there is a world champion in karate. Or provide unnecessary but interesting information, non-designating clause. For example, Michael Jackson, who was a famous singer, died of an overdose. Relative clauses can be introduced with a relative pronoun. Who, whom, which, that, and whose. Example, the man who is standing there is a famous greeter. A relative adverb is where, why, and when. And for example, the restaurant where I have dinner is nice. And 3, none of often. Example, the man I meet is extremely wealthy.
Relative pronouns. Who, subject or object pronouns for people. Example, take up the lady who eats her baby. Which, subject or object pronouns. Example, I hear the book which is on the table. Whom is for object pronouns for people, which especially in non-restrictive relative clauses. Example, the boy who told me I would got the death rate in math. That subject are object pronouns for people, animals, and things. Example, I like the days that is over there.
Relative adverbs. Where? Referring to a place. Example, the restaurant where I usually have dinner is nice. When? Referring to a time. Example, there are times when I feel so lonely. Why? Referring to a reason. Example, this is why she refused the offer. Subject or object pronoun. You can distinguish subject and object pronoun as follows. If the relative pronoun is not followed by a noun or pronoun, it is a subject pronoun. Example, the apple which is lying on the table is sweet. If the relative pronoun is followed by a noun or pronoun, the relative pronoun is an object pronoun.
Descriptive relative clauses. 1. Give detailed necessary information. They are not put between commas. I know the man who is standing there. 2. These clauses are often used by definitions. A novelist is someone who writes novels. 3. Objects pronounced in their clauses can be omitted. The boy who or whom we met yesterday from New York.
non-transitive relative clauses. For example, Martin Luther King, who was known for his fight for the civil rights, was assassinated in 1968. Thank you.